Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back. Unfortunately, had a little break there because somebody came in. So instead of just me, making a part two, I just decided that what I'll do is just walk you through. So this is I'm using the leftovers on a week that I had lost my planner. So I'm just going to go in and decorate it and then put basic information in for that week. And then I'm going to uh, and use as much of my kit. So my kit is from the March Mystery from DEK Designs, and I've had it in a couple of my videos. So I've been using this sheet and some of that sheet. So those I think I'm pretty much done with. I will still use the numbers, and we'll just kind of go from there. So I'm sorry, I just got really kind of interrupted in a way, and it just was like, had to do a little bit of a rethink on this. So all right, so I think I'm going to save a lot of the actual like to do things for one last planner. So I'm showing you how much these planners stretch. They really stretch. You can do a lot. So, and I think right now I want to take this across the top. I don't know why, I just feel like it. So anyways, I hope that you are having a great day. It is busy here. You can hear the power sprayer going and everything going here. Yeah, and it's hot. It's gone from 48, and my husband said 90 today. It's going to go, I saw 88. So it's definitely, it comes fast. You know, we all start out in jackets and sweaters outside, and then all of a sudden you are just burning up. And that's how I feel like I am out here. I haven't been out here. My section where my little office is in the office is right by where you get most of the afternoon sun. And I now know why my husband never wanted his office or his desk over here, because it's hot, people. I do have something, he put something in the window. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it there, but anyways, it is what it is. So we are thankful to have anything that will stop that heat. Okay, so I've done that. Let me see. Okay, I am going to put one of these here on Sunday for when we go to church. Get up, put your makeup on, put your face on, and then I think that's it. I'm not going to go into much detail. Now I just really want to use this sticker sheet. I love the Fashion Girls. I think they're beautiful, and I think Dawn does a great job. And so, since I'm really not going to record a whole lot, I will have some things that are important for me to put in. I am going to use some of it. We had quite a bit that happened that week. Oop, I just tore the girls. Did you hear that? I did it. Wasn't the sticker. It was on me. We had a lot of things happen that week, and some good, some not so good. So, which it's okay. You know, we just keep moving, right? We do our best. Keep going. But I do need to record it. I do need to remember what happened, and, you know, and for various reasons. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. And I think I want to put this pretty girl down here. And this is really what I'm doing. I wanted to use these. I think they're pretty. And why not? Why not? Why not? Okay, now I'm going to come back through here and just put all kinds of stuff all over. I think I'm just going to stick with these. And since that's the day of St. Patrick's, I'll put that there. And yeah, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but some days, you know, it's just fun to just, and this is very relaxing for me. It is. We just had a little thing happen, and this is very relaxing for me. Yeah, that's all I can say. All right. Okay, I finished that. Yay. I did want to put something up here, but that's okay. Now you can see where this wrinkled from the week before, and sometimes you can just do like that, and you can just get it to lay flat, and we're good to go. All right, now, let me see. I'm very surprised. Hold on. I didn't find, you know what? I pulled this out, so I'll use this. Why not? All right, and Let me see. I think I'll put one of these right there. Okay. So I'm kind of liking this. I mean, it's simple, it's fun, it's easy, it's, you know, it's pretty. So I'm put that there and that there and yeah, that there. So, okay. And I drink tea. I drink I think it's a rooibos tea every day, and it is yummy. So tea's always a big thing in our house, and that's what my husband drinks as his hot beverage of choice, and that works. Okay, guys, I think, let me see if there's anything here I want to put. Maybe I'll put that there too. And then I love the butterfly. So I think I'll put that down here. That'll kind of balance out that gal. And I think I'm good. I really do. I think, oh, gotta have that. Oh, yeah. My daughter and I both love horses, so I think all girls do. What can you say? But hold on one second. I've got, speaking of daughter, I'm going to text her, have her text. Yeah, I think that's it. I think it's really cute. It's very sweet. It's got places to write, so I can go back in and fill in, and it's just pretty, and it makes me happy. So, and I feel like, you know, when I go back to these, if I ever go back to them years later, I can say, oh, look what I did that day. So I finished this one, and I've almost finished this one. I'll just cut that off, save it. And I've got one more planner I'm going to use this kit in. And then I'm going to, I will move on to a different kit. All right. Oh, whoops. One thing I forgot to do. The dates. I knew I forgot something. Silly me. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Ah, nice. So I hope you guys are getting warm. I know a lot of you are probably further south, so you're really warm, and some of you are further north and you're not warm yet. So we're kind of, we're probably considered to be pretty warm down here. You know, we're Central Texas, so not super south like where I grew up on the coast, but, you know, it's Texas. You wake up, freeze it. You go to bed hot, so at least right now. But there's lots of wind, and that's what helps. And unfortunately, my husband, because we're out in the old goat pasture, though it's been years and years and years since we've had goats out here. They are, it is, what am I trying to say? It is, oh goodness, there's only a screen thing, and he gets a ton of flies and stuff in here. I'm just like, ew. Such a girl. And it wasn't, I didn't really care until a bee came in, and I'm allergic to bees. All right, guys, I'm done. I hope you liked it. Okay, friends, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. It helps our channel. And then lastly, most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for being here. I so appreciate you, your time, and your coming to be with me. And I just love it. So I love being with you today. Okay, friends, talk to you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.